Hey, if you want the latest scoop on making money online, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Trust me, you do not want to miss any of my videos on how to make money from anywhere in the world. And before we dive in, let me know in the comments where you're watching from. I'd love to create videos tailored just for your region. Alright, let's talk about how I make up to $100 a day online with games and surveys. Yes, you heard that right. I'm talking about a site called Gemsloot that's gone from being all about Roblox to a full-on get-paid to platform. And the best part? It's available worldwide, so anyone can join and start earning, no matter where you live. So, how does it work? First, sign up on Gemsloot and log into your member dashboard. You'll see a bunch of featured games you can play for rewards. Each game comes with its own set of tasks, but here's the cool thing. You don't have to do every single task to earn coins or cash. Just pick the ones you like, play, and rack up those rewards. Perfect for gamers and even casual players. But wait, there's more. Gemsloot isn't just about games. Inside, you'll find offer walls and surveys too. These are basically mini missions. Download an app, try out a new website, or answer a few questions. It's like getting paid to explore the internet. If you're feeling competitive, check out their daily and monthly leaderboard contests. The more you earn, the higher you climb. And if you make it to the top, the monthly champ gets $200 and second place grabs $100. So, if you're dedicated or just a little bit lucky, you could win big just by doing what you'd probably be doing anyway. Now, if you're all about that passive income, Gemsloot also has a referral program. Just share your link with friends, and every time they earn, you get a cut. It's seriously one of the easiest ways to earn a little extra without doing much at all. And when it's time to cash out, Gemsloot gives you options: PayPal, crypto, gift cards, even in-game currencies. You get to pick what suits you best. So what do you think? Would you give Gemsloot a try? Drop your thoughts and experiences in the comments. I always love hearing from you. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And smash that notification bell so you never miss out on new ways to make money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.